This is the second part of chapter number 11 on arithmetic progression and geometric progression. From exercise 11a, question number 4, subdivision 2. Which term of the series 100, 84, 68 and so on is minus 108? Which term of the series, actually it's not series, it's the sequence. Which term of the sequence? 100 is the first term, 84 is there after that, 68 is the third term and so on, is minus 108. Minus 108 is which term is what you are trying. So the AP given is 100 is the first term, then second term is 84, third term is 68 and so on, and this becomes the nth term. Okay. Term n is this. This is first term, this is first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the nth term. Okay. So, first term is represented as A is 100. Now let's see the common difference. D is the common difference, which is second term minus first term. Second term is 84, minus first term is 100. 84 minus 100 is minus 16 is the value of D. And you know the nth term, which means term n, Tn is minus 108. So these are the things that you know. Okay. Because you know the nth term, let's use the formula for nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. And substitute whatever you know. Tn, term n is minus 108 is equal to A is 100 plus, you don't know which is the n value. Which term is this, you don't know. You know it's the nth term. That n is what number, you don't know. Okay. So n remains the same, minus 1 times D's value was minus 16. Bring this 100 this side. Minus 108 minus 100 is minus 208 is equal to, multiply the minus 16 inside. Minus 16 into n is minus 16n. Minus into minus becomes plus 16. Bring this term this side, that is 16n is equal to, this goes that side, 208 plus 16. So n value is equal to, this if you add you get 224 divided by 16. You simplify this, you will get 14. So n is 14, which means minus 108 is the 14th term. Therefore, minus 108 is the 14th term. Question 12. Find how many numbers between 33 and 333 are divisible by 7. The numbers which you are going to get should be divisible by 7. Let's check this. First number is 33 and then the series goes up to 333. Okay. But the numbers which you are going to have in the AP should be divisible by 7. So is 33 divisible by 7? Can you divide 33 by 7? No. What about the next number after 33? It's 34. Is 34 divisible by 7? That's also no. So after 34, 35 comes. Is 35 divisible by 7? Yes. So the first number in this series is 35. That's the first number which is divisible by 7. 33 was not divisible by 7. 34 is not divisible by 7. So the next number is 35. So our AP is 35 is the first number. It says between 33 and 333. Between these two numbers. Okay. So 35 is the first number which is divisible by 7. After 35, all that you have to do, because it is divisible by 7, keep adding 7. Add 7 to this, you will get 42. Add 7 to this, you will get 49. Add 7 to this, you will get 56 and so on. Now to find out which is the last number which is divisible by 7. For that, take the 333. Take the 333 and start dividing by 7. 7 fours are 28. Remainder is 5. 3 comes down. 7 sevens are 49. 4 is there. Which means 333 was not divisible by 7. You get a remainder 4. So if that remainder 4 was not there, then the number would be divisible by 7. So what you do is, from 333, subtract 4. So that will give you 329 is your last number, which is divisible by 7 between 33 and 333. Okay. So 329 becomes the last number which is divisible by 7. So this is your arithmetic progression. First one is 35, second term is 42, third term is 49, fourth term is 56, and so on. The last term which is divisible by 7 is 329. Okay. So let's write down whatever we know. This is the first term, therefore A is 35. Common difference, 42 minus 35 will give you 7, because these are numbers which are divisible by 7. And the last term, that is Tn, is 329. Okay. Now, because you know term n, let's use the formula for term n. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times t. Tn is 329 is equal to A's value is 35 plus you don't know n minus 1 times t's value is 7. You can bring the 35 this side. 329 minus 35 is 294 is equal to n minus 1 times 7. Bring the 7 this side. 294 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. If you divide this, you will get 42 is equal to n minus 1. Bring this minus 1 this side. 42 plus 1 is 43 is n, which means this 329 is the 43rd term, which means between 33 and 333 there are 43 terms which are divisible by 7. Therefore, there are 43 terms between 33 and 333 that are divisible by 7. Question number 19. A man is employed at a salary of rupees 5,000 per month. Every month he is going to get 5,000 rupees. With an annual increment of rupees 500. Annual increment. Annual means yearly. Every year, after 1 year, his salary is going to increase by 500 rupees. First year he gets 5,000 rupees. Next year his salary is going to increase by 500 rupees, which means he will be getting in the second year 5,500 rupees. Okay. Every year it is going to increase by 500 rupees. What will be his salary per month in the 11th year of service? When he reaches the 11th year, what would be his salary? Because every year it is going to increase by 500 rupees. Okay. So, this is also an AP. The AP is, this is the first year salary, he gets 5,000 rupees. Next year, second year, it increases by 500 more. So it becomes 5,500. Third year, it increases by 500 more, which means add 500 to this, it will become 6,000. Fourth year, this will increase by 500, that's 6,500, and so on. Okay. And here find what will be his salary in the 11th year of his service. So which means you are actually going to find term 11. This is the first term, second term, second year salary, third term, third year salary, fourth term, fourth year salary, and so on. We are going to find the 11th year salary, which is term 11. So this is the first term, therefore A is 5,000. Common difference between this and this is 500, that's the increase. And term 11 is what we are going to find. So, these are the data that we know. Because you are going to find term 11, let's use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times t. Term n now is term 11, T11, which means n is 11 is equal to A's value is 5,000 plus n value is 11 minus 1 times difference, common difference is 500. So term 11 is equal to 5,000 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 500 is 5,000. Add both these, that will give you term 11 is rupees 10,000, which means in the 11th year he will be getting 10,000 rupees as his monthly salary. So his salary per month in 11 years will be rupees 10,000. Question number 15. Find the 15th term from the end of the sequence. This is the beginning of the sequence. From here it's not asked find the 15th term. It says from the end find the 15th term. From this side, which will be the 15th term, find that 15th term. Not from this side. So our sequence will be from this side, which means this becomes our first term. From the end, what will be the 15th term? Okay, not from the beginning. So this is the sequence that is given, 7, 10, 13 and so on. The last one is 130. Okay. This is how generally all these terms are written. First term is A, then add D more, A plus D becomes the second term. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term will be A plus 3D and so on. And I've considered this is the last term L, last term. Okay. Since it is from the end, we're going to find the 15th term from the end. From this side, the 15th term. Okay. The first term here becomes this one. This is the first term. We are coming this way, reverse. Okay. First term is going to be L, the last one. That's 130. Okay. And the common difference, if you're coming from this side, the common difference is 10 minus 7, which is 3. 13 minus 10, which is also 3. But if you're coming backwards, 10 minus 13 is minus 3. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. So we are coming backwards, therefore the common difference will be minus 3. So common difference is, let's consider plus 1. Okay. Common difference is D, okay, which is actually, if you're coming this way, it is negative 3, minus 3. So we are going to find the 15th term, therefore let's find Tn. Tn is equal to, not A, we are not starting from here, we are starting from the end. Therefore, the first term here is L. L plus n minus 1 times D. Okay. So, we are going to find the 15th term from the end. Therefore, term 15 is equal to, the last term is what we are going to start with, that's 130 plus n value is 15, this is 15. 15 minus 1 times, common difference was minus 3, it's minus 3. So term 15 is equal to 130, then 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 into minus 3 is minus 42. Subtract these two, you will get 88. That is term 15 from the end. From the end, the 15th term is 88. So the 15th term from the end is 88. And your homework is from exercise 11A, question numbers 5, 20, 21 and